So I'm making Chinese food tonight. For the sweet corn soup, I'm going to make chicken stock. I am boiling some chicken. I put in a little bit of salt and just a little bit of soy sauce, so the chicken has this. We are going to boil it first and then shred the chicken and use the water to make that's our stock, chicken stock for the soup. Time to cut up veggies. There's celery, as the corn is boiling. I will add the other veggies into this. I add the shredded chicken to my soup base, and again let it cook for about 5 minutes. Chili chicken, I have some diced chicken breast that I am going to marinate with. I'm going to marinate this diced chicken for about 15 minutes with some ketchup, some soy sauce. We've been marinating in our tomato ketchup and soy sauce for about 15-20 minutes. I'm gonna add in some chopped garlic and some corn starch. Mix in the corn starch with my diced chicken. I would deep fry these, but today I'm gonna use the air fryer. I've set it at about 350 and for about 20 minutes, and let's see how it turns out. In a wok or pan, I have a pan, so I'm heating a pan, and then I will add some veggies. I have here some carrots, some celery, green beans, onions cut wide, bell pepper, soy sauce, our chicken, some water. For the chili chicken, I have deseeded them. If you want it really spicy, you leave the seeds on, but if you want it a little milder, you deseed them, so that way they are not as spicy. Half teaspoon of corn starch, and of course more spring onion. But not the least, for the noodles, I have ginger garlic and some dried chilies. This I'm adding my celery and carrots, and then I have green beans that I've split lengthwise, green bell pepper that I've also split lengthwise. I'm adding noodles, our chicken sweet corn soup, noodles, and chili chicken ready to eat.